saralkumarroy, and today's topic criminal trial, and become advocate recently practicing in lower court or high court divisions, most of them going to see dream and making yourself like a criminal trial, and how to become criminal trial lawyer in your life. This topic, criminal trial. 2 points, discuss 2 points of criminal trial. Number 1, circumstantial evidence on behalf of the accused petitioner. Number 2, circumstantial evidence on behalf of the victim. Actually, criminal trial is not easy matter. This is very difficult, and doing criminal trial in court and find out your client is innocent or not, and submit through by the relevant documents, and this is very difficult and very tough. And I hope that from my little experience share to my learned friends, saying dream become trial lawyer, criminal trial lawyer in your life, have to maintain daily routine and hard working. It will be continued in your life long time, 5 years, 10 years. After 10 years you feel and add some achievement or little achievement in your life. Otherwise, doing that better in your life each other, 99% never possible for you. And criminal trial. Number 1, identified specific allegations against the accused. How to identify specific allegations against the accused? Number 1, relevant documents. Relevant documents mean a lot of words. Number 1, 161 witness and having confessional statement of accused and seize or recovery alamat under section 27 of Evidence Act 1872, under section 103 seizure list, the code of the criminal procedure. Those circumstantial evidence, relevant documents divided your client or accused going to be straight line or backward. Straight line means prosecutions failed to prove a specific allegation against accused, and statement of witness submitted or produced before honorable court, creation doubt for the purpose of the case before honorable court, and recovery alamot, actually weapon, blood related cloth or any other elements, ingredients of this fact or case submitted before the court, and there is no specific words, no explanations about submitting elements which is necessary for the purpose of the case. I hope that for the purpose of the murder case, where I am going to discuss murder trial, section 302 of Penal Code 1860, not amounting to murder under section 304, definition of culpable homicide, section 299 of Penal Code 1860, with intention, having plan, and act done by accused, that the accused will be benefited after offense identified that, and this is burden of proof, and percentage of burden of proof, more percentage of burden of proof, it will be liable on behalf of the prosecution. Hello viewers, listening and watching me and supporting me, thank you very much. I hope always support me, and with your support I across my and going to straight line and going to my nearest dream. I believe and I feel I am a criminal lawyer, and this is my dream, and making me or to establish me in future life as a criminal lawyer. This is challenging for me, and with your support of my viewers and my learned friends, my teachers, senior and juniors, always supported me. Thank you very much. Everybody always appreciate me going fast on the front of my dream making me as a criminal lawyer. And from my experience, I doing criminal trial in lower court, but I am regular practicing and continue to practice in high court divisions, criminal matter, civil matter, and writ matter. And from my experience, more cases are studied by me. I hope next time I always support for the purpose of legal side my client, because every client is the unit of more works, and every client is always honorable to my life because every client trusts me first time and previous client believed me, and I hope that from me to continue relations with my clients and fight for justice. Number one, criminal trial. Find out a specific allegation against the accused petitioner that the accused is guilty for the purpose of the case, and the honorable court with the evidence decide that and first convictions and guilty of the accused for the case. This is the relevant for the case, but creations doubt, and this is the benefited for the accused, and the accused would get the benefit when the creations doubt for the purpose of the submitting or relevant documents or evidence which submitted before the court. A humble request to my viewers, doing comments, my sound is clear or not. I am not sure my sound is clear and or not. Please, with your comments about my sound. My speech will be helpful when I am so sorry. Internet is very disturbed and having not enough to service. Internet service not enough because this day and disconnect for internet. I continue my speech and my viewers always support me. Criminal justice always liable for accused when the allegations, bringing allegations or specific allegations is find out against the accused. Criminal trial. Criminal trial, for doing the criminal trial in legal professions have to know or learn Evidence Act, the Code of the Criminal Procedure, Penal Code, this broadcast has been paused for poor wireless connections. Internet service not strong because my video has been paused for weak or poor internet connections. In the murder case, Identify more ingredients of this case. Number 1, for acquitted the accused or pay for discharge have to maintain more ingredients of this case. Number 1, with the due time, loss FIR or delay FIR having specific grounds or words for a delay FIR. Number 2, informant is unknown or nearest or family member of victim, or before creations bad relations with accused, then 161 witness will be fair for the purpose of the case, and investigation officer have to maintain and follow the procedure and doing the work, and having 164 confession statement of accused before the court. The investigation officer submitted relevant documents before the court which is connected for the case. (364) defense witness examined by the honorable court or not. More ingredients of the case will be clear. Otherwise, find out your client be acquitted from the case, it will be very difficult and challenging. And silly fault of the advocate who appointed as a lawyer of the accused. For your silly fault, you would damage your career in legal field, because to establish in legal field very difficult, but if concerned and you given consent, unnecessary time using for the purpose of the case, it will be very harmful for your career. And I am founder of Sharolok Academy, and admission going on for MCQ or pre exam. Who are interested or you are worried for your upcoming bar council exam, Sharolok Academy always support you to pass pre exam, and you are very weak to understand important sections. Sharolok Academy always support and explain the important section which is necessary and upcoming and the students would prepare for bar council pre exam, and you have no enough time to prepare and you are already to pass in bar council pre exam or MCQ exam, you can get admissions Sharol Academy, and registrations. For registrations, call me and confirm your seat, and seat is limited, and Sharol Academy always making a strong platform for the purpose of the exam. Thank you very much. And to my viewers listening and watching me and always supporting me, and with your support I became a good criminal lawyer in future. For your support, and this topic was how to prepare for criminal trial and discuss more ingredients of the criminal trial under section 302, and another case, dacoity, robbery, theft, extortion, kidnapping, attempt to murder, not amounting to murder, murder, money laundering, cyber crime. But procedure of criminal trial, it will be like same, because the code of the criminal procedure we always follow that, and as a criminal lawyer suggests that Evidence Act, CRPC, Penal Code are very important, and reading this book and daily maintain your routine for studying 5 or more hours after 10 years, you will be lighted in the society, and you are honorable in the society, in your friends, in your relatives, because you upgrade your career, you are honorable and acceptable to your friends, to your relatives, but lost your career and having not sufficient money, every friends, every relatives leave you, ignore you. From the beginning, started your career with hard work. Hard work means study a lot of book for the purpose of the criminal case, and you can study ruling and judgment for the purpose of the criminal case. It will be helpful for your life, and I hope that my lecture will be helpful And third of my lecture, change your mind thought, psychology, and build your psychology, then build your physical structure. Thank you very much. I am Advocate saralkumarroy, Supreme Court Bangladesh, and founder and director সরললএক academy. নমস্কার।